Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Hope you are okay. Hope you are good. Hope you are having a great time, guys. Guys, this is another beautiful thing you can create by yourself. Yes, you heard me right. You can create this all by yourself, guys. By yourself. Let me sound it so that you get it. By yourself. You don't need assistant. You don't need anybody to assist you. You can do this by yourself. And you know the only thing you will do, the only thing you are required to do is to watch the video and follow the step. Watch this video and follow the step by step. Watch the video, follow it step by step, and you achieve the same result, not a different result, guys. I always say this and I will continue to say it. You don't need to crack your brains, you don't need to stress yourself. Just follow the video. The video just follow it and you achieve the same result, guys. And there is another thing I always say, and that is the world is madly going into creativity. People are madly going into creativity. People are being creative, guys. People are being creative with little things you think don't matters, with little things you think and are worthless, things you think are not valuable. That is what people are using to make beautiful things. And I don't want you to be left out, guys. That thing you think is a trash, that thing you think is useless, that thing you think is worthless, you can make that thing to be beautiful. You can make that thing to be valuable. You can bring value from that thing you think is worthless, guys. This is one of those things, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. Try this. Create this by yourself. Create this by yourself and you will thank me later. And you know, guys, even if you don't want to use this thing, there are some things you create that you don't want to use. You can cash out from them. You can say this and make cool money from them. You can cash out from these things. No more complaining of not having money, no more complaining of not knowing what to do to get money. This is one thing you can do to get money, and you will get money from this thing. You will cash out from this thing. Just try this and you will make cool cash from this creativity. And not only this, but we'll drop different creativity, the ones that are longer, the ones that are shorter, the ones that are easy that you can do. We always drop easy creativity, not hard creativity. This is so beautiful, guys. Watch the video to the end. The creativity has not ended, the video has not ended, but you can see the beauty already. You can see the beauty already. I don't know if you are excited, but I'm excited of what I am seeing, and I want you to try this out. I want you to do this all by yourself. I want you to try this out. This is so beautiful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. This is a super creativity. Oh my god, I love this.